ko kasi to. Gusto kong kumain ng snake gourd. See? 199 lang guys. 4 na. So, okay na rin yan. Kasi nga naman ay hindi naman to kagaya sa Pinas na ano, napatapon na talaga, na asin talagang wrinkle na yung kanilang ano, hindi na masyadong fresh.
Contrary to the predictions of futurists, the diplomatic professionals say that artificial intelligence is
Ay, dalawang seniority ko. So, hinaluan ko na siya ng coriander, chili, turmeric, at cumin powder. So, ihalo natin at nilagyan ko na rin siya ng salt guys. So i-mash na natin. Last one, and that's the extra. So let's put the onion out. Ko lang siya ng chili, 1 chili guys for flavor. Kasi nga I to make it hot. 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic. And lagay na natin yung coriander, chili, and turmeric, and cumin powder. Then, ilagay na rin natin yung tomato with the coconut. So, just mix. Nalaglag ko lang siya ng naka-frozen na coriander guys. Tomato paste at coconut para hindi masayang. So already boiled guys. So stuff snake gourd slowly. Lagay na rin natin yung boil. To put salt, simmer it until it cooks.
Possible in terms of what's being done. The rest is beyond our control. And being exclusive, Manoj Kumar